New South Wales Health Minister Brad Hazzard has been forced to apologise after a 21-month-old girl was sent home from hospital after a car crash, with doctors failing to diagnose her fractured neck.
Sky News host Paul Murray met with the girl's parents as more horror stories emerge from the same hospital.
It's enough to break any parent's heart.
That little image of her just reaching her hand out and you kissing down on her hand.
That's when she was crying because we couldn't pick her up. And it was really hard.
21-month-old Lorelei and her mother Elise were involved in a head-on collision last Monday. They were taken to Wyong Hospital shortly after, and that's when things got worse.
She was screaming, absolutely screaming in pain, and it was the worst thing to watch because she was an absolute mess. She couldn't calm her down. My scan was straight away, so I got a scan about 9:30. I asked the radiologist exactly, could we scan my daughter, please, at least from the neck and the chest area, just to check that area. No, we'd have to get another referral.
Despite being in agony, little Lorelei and her mum were discharged. After 24 hours of non-stop crying, Elise couldn't handle it anymore.
I've rang my mum and I've gone, Mum, this is not right, she's not right, I need to call the ambulance.
Lorelei was taken back to Wyong before then being taken to Gosford Hospital. Shortly after, she was in a neck brace, placed in an induced coma and flown to Westmead Children's Hospital, with doctors finding her C1 and C2 vertebrae were fractured.
Wyong made the assumption that she had a viral infection without doing anything except for a couple of blood tests.
They diagnosed her with viral infection.
After being in a car accident?
Yep.
After being in pain?
Because she had temperatures.
Come on.
On Tuesday, they received a call from Health Minister Brad Hazzard, apologising for the bungle and launching an investigation into the treatment of Lorelei at Wyong Hospital. But her parents say the conversation sounded scripted.
It was probably about a 10-minute call, and the sorry from him personally seemed sympathetic, but then he continued on to make it out like Wyong did everything that they could when they didn't.
Another story has emerged of a young boy who was sent home twice from Wyong Hospital after complaining of stomach pains. 2 days later, he had to undergo surgery for a ruptured appendix. Elise and Ben have thanked the community for the outpouring of support and have told the Health Minister they won't stop speaking out until they see real changes.
And she just wanted to cuddle. That's all she wanted. She just wanted to feel our love again. I couldn't get back to her because she was stuck in the bed.
Charlotte Mortlock, Sky News, Sydney.